everybody, welcome to Vlogmas number 23. Almost Christmas time. Yeah! Boy, have I had a great week. I hope everybody saw my new to me from Fashion File. I've been waiting for this bag for over 2 years, and Teddy surprised me. Bought it for me, and it was sent to Canada. So, whoa, I am still blown away. So, wow, it's just unbelievable. Every time I think about it, I just want to cry. It just really boosts my spirits on this horrible 2020. And God, I just love that purse. So I'm really happy to have it. I'll be showing different ways of using it and that kind of thing. So in the future, so make sure you look forward to that. And today's the 23rd, so make sure you subscribe. When I hit 500, I'm gonna be doing a fabulous giveaway, and it is gonna be a showstopper. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the advent calendars. All right, we're almost done with the advent. So we have the 23rd. All right, it's right by the snowman. All right. Oh, this is a green one. Okay, well that's pretty cool. All right. Look forward to that. It's still snowing here in BC, so I hope everybody's staying safe. It's been snowing for a couple of days now, so we'll see how it goes. All right, we have the homemade calendar. 23rd. All right. Go ahead and open that up if we can. Too much tape. There we go. All right, let's see if we can actually get it open here. All right, let's see here. Okay. Yeah, way too much tape. There we go. Finally got it going on. All right, this is a eyeshadow brush from Smashbox. These brushes are excellent. They come in red and black. If you can find them, they're kind of hard to find. They're well worth the money, so I highly recommend them. And let's go ahead and see what Loccitane's got for us today. All right, let's see where 23 is. Ah, I found it right away. It's at the very bottom. Oh, this is an orange color, kind of like my Elma PM that I'm still blown away by. And I'll leave all the information below so you know. It smells good. And that's what that one looks like. Alright, today we have an unboxing from Pandora. They were running on the US site and the Canadian site. If you buy so much charms, then you can get a free bracelet. And so anyways, Ted said, go ahead and get the free bracelet, because then it would go with the 20 anniversary charms that that I have been collecting, and I do have the last one on its way. So hopefully that will come in sometime in the new year, I guess. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this and see what I got. Got my blade. All right, let's see what we got here. We have Pandora. All right, I have my invoice. They gave me some little pouches. Pretty cool. I have 3 of those. Yeah, these are nice. Okay, that's the charms. Bracelet. Love Teddy. Isn't that nice? The back of the card there. Alright, that's a gift card. And these are the boxes that they give you. Alright, that's cool. And this is the bracelet box. So you definitely want to check that out. Alright, let's see how many charms I bought. I bought 2 charms, and then I got the bracelet for free. So the first charm that I got was the Star Wars Princess Leia. And then the second one that I got was Blue Night Sky Crescent Moon. Alright. So this is the Blue Sky Crescent Moon. It's really pretty. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. They're kind of hard to see, unfortunately. So let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, that is nice. Alright, let's see if we can show that. I'll take some pictures too. And then here's the other side of it. And then it has little sparkles on the top that are blue. Yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, so I'll take a picture of that. And then this is Star Wars. One of my favorites. Okay, this looks like the... that's weird. This looks like the same one. This is the Crescent Moon. And what is this one? Oh, okay. They look really super similar. But this one actually is the Princess Leia one. But they look, when you see the other one, they look like almost the exact same thing. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So you kind of get my idea there. All right, so I'll go ahead and take some pictures of those, and then you'll get a closer look. Basically, Pandora charms are very hard to show on camera because they're so small. But I got this one and I thought it would go perfect with my 12 limited edition charms. And you can use it for any charms, but I just thought this was pretty cool. And this is like a magnetic closure. It's the new one. So let's take a look here.
Chilliwack Hall 4. This is Chilliwack Kitchen 1.
And they do have a little thing that you can get that you can put in the middle, basically. To open it up. All right, there we go. Okay, so basically, show it up close here. All right, and you open it up. And it comes out. Then you just pop it in like that. And then close it up, basically. So it goes like that. That's the open. You pop it in there. And away you go. And then you just clamp it. All right, let me see if it's gonna be big enough here. Yeah. Okay, so you kind of get an idea. All right, so that is Vlogmas number 23. So I hope everybody's staying safe. See you tomorrow for Vlogmas 24. You certainly don't want to miss out, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Until tomorrow, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye.